Your Grace, are you in here? Your Grace. Oh, they're asleep. Your Grace, are you awake? Snoring away, poor thing. They've been working non-stop since taking over for their father. I do wish they would take more care of themselves. God, this study gets so dusty. They toss their books and parchment everywhere, acting like a toddler in their own study. Perhaps I should increase the cleaning in here. They do collect so many books. What's this one? Sherlock Holmes. Looks interesting. Perhaps Your Grace shouldn't leave it on the floor. Still snoring. They must have really been working hard. I should clean up some of the parchment on the floor for them. What's this? They're all the same. They are drafts of a letter. No, ma'am. You cannot read Your Grace's letters. That's... What? My love for you transcends every boundary. Your Grace, are you in love? How? How is this possible? There is no name on any of these. A secret lover, perhaps? But how? They never leave their room past 8. And they rarely leave the house unless it's for work. Could Your Grace be... Could they be in love with someone from their work? It's not my place. If Your Grace wishes to court someone, it is not my place to judge or snoop. I am here to do my job, and that is it. Your Grace. You are awake. That is good. The time? 7:30. You should be getting to bed soon, Your Grace. The rest of the house is cleaned, Your Grace. I left the study till last, since you have been in here most of the day. I did not wish to disturb your work. However, I do ask that next time you keep your papers organized on your desk. I only wish for your peace of mind, Your Grace. Keeping a clean study is imperative to keeping a steady workflow. I only wish what is best for you and this house. Yes, Your Grace, I am aware that I work hard. I am the head of the house, after all. I must tend to this house and its inhabitants with every fiber of my being. That includes you, Your Grace. Your Grace, pardon my asking, but have you been drinking tonight? Well, I ask because you are stumbling slightly, and your eyes are off focus. You have not? Then perhaps are you tired? Should I help you prepare for bed? The study can wait till you are asleep, Your Grace. Come with me. We shall get you ready for bed. Your Grace! Oh, you nearly fell. Your Grace, you have circles under your eyes. You're stumbling? You need to sleep properly, you know. No, Your Grace, I am not ordering you. I am merely suggesting you take care of your health. Your Grace, please, take care of yourself. Thank you. Here, allow me to help you. Here, put your arm around my shoulders. Oh, you really should take better care of yourself, Your Grace. I know you have work to do, but if you work yourself to death, then there will be more work and no one to complete it. Thank you, Your Grace. I hope that I am wise. Your Grace, forgive the intrusion, but are you ill? Well, your skin. It is warm to the touch. And I am sure that when one's skin is hot to the touch, that means one is ill. I think we should bathe you before you get into bed. Yes, Your Grace. We need to care for your health. I will run you a bath. Yes, I will. It's important that you maintain your health. As it is my duty to see to the house and its inhabitants, I will make sure you take care of your health. Please wait here while I run your bath. Your Grace, the bath is ready. No, Your Grace. I shall remain here until you are finished. You are not a child. It is improper. Your Grace, people would... Oh, not the puppy eyes. Oh, Lord above, help me. All right, I will help you. Sit, please, so that I may help you. I am aware that I cannot resist your pouting face. Forgive me for speaking informally, Your Grace, but for all your assurance that you are, in fact, a capable adult, you act like a child to get your way a little too often. I did not say that it wasn't endearing, Your Grace. Perhaps. Now, up. We need to get you into the bath. Lean back. We must wash your hair. Don't fall asleep. You'll drown in the tub. Yes, it is true. You must remain awake, Your Grace. Your Grace, we just discussed the importance of staying awake. Why am I so formal around you? Your Grace, that is how things are. You are several stations above me. You are my boss. Addressing you any other way would be improper. I am aware we have known each other since childhood. That does not mean that I should treat you any differently. Your Grace, please do not give me those eyes again. I cannot cross that line. We are in two different worlds. That is just how things are. I am sorry. We should dry you off and get you ready for bed. I am not avoiding your gaze. We need to get you into bed. This way, please. I am not avoiding the subject either. I am tending to your health just as I should. Order me? Order me to what? To be informal with you. Your Grace, that is improper, and it will only get people talk. I am aware there is no one here. It is still impolite to... You what? Feelings for me? Your Grace, this is entirely... The letters. Your Grace, I am sorry. I was just trying to clean them up. I didn't... They were for me. No, Your Grace, we can't tell you what I feel. I feel... I wish that I could accept your feelings, but we can't... I cannot. There is no I won't, we won't, we can't. Nothing could happen between us. We are of two different worlds, Your Grace. It does matter. I would be shunned and exiled, but even worse, you could lose everything. The home, the company, your future, I cannot be the reason that you cast that aside. Listen, Your Grace, are you... Your Grace, Oh. Passed out. From exhaustion, no doubt. Oh, I have to get them under the blankets. Why must you be so optimistic? This world is not for people like us. We must play our part, Your Grace. As much as I do not want to, as much as I would love to be by your side, we cannot.